Hi, this is Danny Triplett with Full House Liquidation. Join me today as we take a tour of an upcoming estate sale we have out in the country in the beautiful rolling hills of Dade City. The sale will be on April 5th through the 8th, and the times will be from 8 o'clock in the morning until 3 or 4 in the afternoon each day, and the address will be 34211 Blanton Road, Dade City, Florida 33523. Welcome to the estate sale of a family that's been in the Dade City area since the 1870s. This large 4-bedroom home has everything from antiques to vintage records to china that dates back to the 1800s. So we're going to kind of take you from room to room and explain what else here. It's a fun estate, it's a beautiful estate. As you drive out here in the country, you're going to enjoy the drive itself. And the house kind of sits out here in the country on a hill. It has a full basement down below it that we're in right now. It's a beautiful estate, just looking at it from the outside. And then once you come into the home, you're going to start seeing treasures in every room. It's a lot of fun. You'll come in through the front door and you'll start going through the home. Then also at this estate, we're going to be doing the Dollhouse miniatures and the Dollhouse as a store, kind of like she did it when she ran it as a store. And then the rest of the house, the whole upstairs and the basement, will be the estate sale. So if you're coming to buy things that you see in the pictures of the estate sale or in the basement in the home, that will be the estate sale. You can also come the same days and buy things from the Dollhouse store and buy the dollhouses, the big wooden beautiful dollhouses, the miniatures. But that will be run kind of separate as two separate sales, but on the same days together. Walking through the house, room to room, you'll find things like lots and lots of records, sheet music too. Their mother was a pianist, so there's tons of sheet music, vintage, antique sheet music, tons and tons of books. You've got old New York Post magazines, you've got vintage photo equipment, you've got old mimeograph machines, type calculators. There's clothing and jewelry and figurines and early American solid wood furniture. Whether it's something for yourself or something to resell, there's probably something here from your childhood and much, much more. Attached to the estate sale, you'll also find a recently closed dollhouse and miniature store. Here you'll have the opportunity to purchase elaborate dollhouses, furniture, and all kinds of miniatures. So we want to kind of give you a little bit of a history of the family real quick. This is the Lipsey family. They've been in the Dade City area since the 1870s, and particularly right here on Blanton Road. Their family used to have a lot of orange groves. Their grandfather was a woodworker who passed that on down to the father here, on to his sons. So a lot of that was taken and put into the dollhouses once she started her dollhouse business. But there's a lot of interesting things in this estate. This family goes back quite a ways here in Dade City. There's a lot of interesting history of the family. The sale will be on April 5th through the 8th. And the times will be from 8 o'clock in the morning until 3 or 4 in the afternoon each day. And the address will be 34211 Blanton Road, Dade City, Florida, 33523.